The overall goal of this procedure is to document passage of infectious prion material through the digestive system of American crows. This is accomplished by first gavaging crows with infectious prion material. The second step is to collect the crow feces for 4 hours post-gavage and prepare it for injection into mice. Next, mice are inoculated intraperitoneally with 1 milliliter of crow fecal homogenate. The final step is to monitor mice daily until they express clinical signs of mouse scrapie. Ultimately, Western blot analysis is used to confirm the presence of infectious prions in the mouse model and verify disease transmission.
The idea that crows could transport CWD came to us one winter day when, after driving to a captive elk facility where we were doing some research and seeing roadkill elk being fed on by crows, and later that day, crows coming out of the sky out of nowhere, landing in these feed troughs, feeding right next to the elk, defecating on the grain that the elk were consuming. That, on top of the observation from the literature that a lot of the crows that summer throughout Colorado and Wyoming winter in a concentrated area in New Mexico. It just so happens that that area in New Mexico is where some CWD has popped up, and it's hundreds of miles away from the epicenter of chronic wasting disease. So these two observations got us thinking that potentially crows could play a role in transporting CWD around the landscape.
A visual demonstration of these techniques is critical, as incorrect intraperitoneal and oral gavage techniques can result in the death of study animals.